I'm back. I'm going to be painting today. Yes, I am Ella. And so today I'm going to be using the Tropic Orange from Apple Barrel.
And the white is going to be the acrylic flow white plus the Liquitex titanium white mixed with some floetrol and chilled distilled water. So first we're gonna pause the video real quick and cover the tile in white, and Ella will be right back to do her chain pull. Okay, we're back. We have Ella's tile covered in plain white paint, and she is going to begin with her chain pull. Just don't stick your hand in your tile.
I hope I don't.
Can I shake it really gently? There you go. Alright, hold it gently. There you go. Wipe your fingers on the edge of the cup there. That way it doesn't drip on your tile. That's okay. Put the tip down really carefully at first. There you go. And go. You want to go on the outside first.
Okay, now how do I do
Set it down.
this? I'm
Here.
Yeah.
That's okay. Here, pick it up. Look. Start from about the outside of your tile, so you go inwards, and then just sort of make like a flower petal shape. And then we kind of shouldn't have started there. Should have started like in there, but that's okay. Okay, so now you want to pick up pull your chain towards the center. Grab that right there. Grab your chain and pull everything towards the center slowly. Towards just the center. There you go. Pick it up. Now put it back in your paint. Dip it down. Here, move your hand away from because if you drip in the painting, see if we can get rid of that. Just like that. Okay? It won't matter what's in the center at the moment, because that you're going to go back over. Wipe your fingers on the edge of the cup there. There you go. Okay, now you want to start start your chain in the center. There you go. And go slowly.
Oops.
There you go, that's fine. Alright, now pull it towards the center. Pull it up. There you go, slowly. Pull the chain all the way towards the center. There you go. Okay, and take it back over to your color. Okay, so I'm going to get your syringe ready.
Thank you. Because I am obviously going to need it.
Yep, you might need that syringe to suck out some of that paint. Whoops. That's fine, you're fine. Alright, now bring it back to the center. And pull it up. Up, 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 up.
The loop sort of
There you
created
go.
a nice pattern.
Okay, now put that in your paint. And set that gold part on the outside there. You're getting a lot of excess paint in there, so let me help you out a little bit.
Hold on, I want to try that.
Oh, you want to try that? Okay. There you go. Start from the center, just sort of suck some of it out. You have to touch the tile with the syringe.
I can barely pull.
Yeah,
Well,
let me
that
show.
did not work out well.
Yeah, it did. You got some out. Look, you just gotta kind of move it around. And it really doesn't suck up much paint, but it does.
Look at all your paint compared to my paint.
Just want to get all the excess out. Okay, so now get your chain ready. So now you're gonna either want to start, do like a petal that comes over here, or a petal that comes over here. You see how close you've got them to the edges here? You kind of want if you want your thing to be, I won't say symmetrical because it won't be symmetrical, but start your chain in the center there.
Bloop.
There you go. And kind of either go out this way or go out that way. It doesn't matter. There you go. Good. Yeah. Now bring it back into the center. Slowly. Pull it up. Pull the chain up. Up, up, up. Straight up. Straight up. There you go. Good. Beautiful. I'm going to suck some of that paint out because this is a lot of white paint.
Let me try now that I know how to do this.
How about I let you do it on the next one?
Sure.
Okay, because that's all you need to get up really. Okay, so now you're going to want to petal over here somewhere. But don't go over this because that's a really pretty edge there. It's a really pretty petal. And this one is gorgeous the way it flips around like that, like a real flower. Good job. Make sure you get enough paint off there. String your fingers all the way down. There you go. But not too tight. Okay, start your chain in the center.
Bloop.
There you go. There you go. Perfect. Now bring it into the center. Nope. Up, 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 up. Okay. Take that out. Alright, now suck some of that white paint out there. Yep, just set your chain down. Get your little syringe. It's beautiful so far. Just sort of move it around wherever the paint is. There you go.
That worked out a little
Really close to the
bit
table.
better.
Really close to the table. Nope, nope. Like down here.
Okay.
Because you'll splatter the other white paint.
Look at my hands. They're all pink.
I know, that's okay. It'll all come off in the, whoops. And if we do that, we just wipe that off.
I've even got some on my arm. How did I manage to do this?
Okay. Alright, get your chain up. Strain the paint off of it. Okay, now you want to start making your inner leaves. So you want to kind of do in between the two outer ones. Careful. Okay, no, yeah, there you go. Pull it towards the center and then up. Great. Put it back in your...
I can tell this is just
Pull a
gonna...
lot of paint off of there, okay? You got too much paint on there. Oops.
Sorry.
There we go. That's okay. Okay, now do one like maybe here or, you know, away from that one you just did. Slowly, slowly. You go too fast and the chain's just going to fling all over the place. Nope. Nope, that won't work.
Oh.
Alright, pull that chain up.
Whoops.
Always towards the center. Okay? So you're getting kind of messy in there because you're going too fast. You got to slow down.
Let's take the syringe at her.
Okay.
Mine look beautiful. Yours look...
Nope.
Yours look beautiful. I'm nip.
Nope. Yours are beautiful too, baby. Just
No,
need some practice.
they really aren't.
Okay. Get your chain and pull the stuff off of it. Do you want a different color to go on the inside
Sure.
instead of that one? How about you want a pink? Something that will kind of go with it?
Sure.
Alright, well here. Just stick it in the pink there. And if you, stick your chain down in there and stir it around a little bit. It'll get most of that orange off of there. Since we're not reusing that pink, it won't matter. Okay, now strain that pink off of there and try making another petal. We'll set the orange off to the side. Okay. There you go. Sit it down. Come out with it. There you go. A little further, a little further. Okay. Now drag it to the center. Pick it up.
Now let me do this.
Okay, sorry. Pick up your chain. Pick up your chain. There. There you go. Perfect. Alright, now dip it back in there.
That was a gorgeous petal.
Uh-oh, you got a little smooch right there.
Oops.
That's
Only
okay.
for my fingers.
Probably so. But that's okay. Look. You just flip it down. Get a little bit of orange. Put that in there.
There we go. Now it's like it was never there.
That's right. Exactly. Okay, now you want to go kind of like maybe around there. There you go. And there you go. All right, pick it up. There you go. Slowly. You gotta go slowly.
I understand that.
Now, here you might want to kind of overlap the white a little bit and come back down and maybe around like that or something.
That might be a nice...
It'll give it a little bit of depth if you go, through some of that white.
Whoops.
There you go. That's okay.
Yeah, I definitely touched that.
Well, that's okay. Okay, now pick it up. You have to pick it up from the center.
I understand.
Okay, well you have to use this hand, right?
Yeah.
This one. You have to use this one. Here, should we fix that? Do you want to fix that or do you want to leave that?
Nah.
Or do you want to do any orange petals on the inside? Because you really don't need too much more as far as pink, but that's up to you.
There we go.
Okay. Up, 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 before you drag it through the orange. There you go.
There we go.
Okay, do you
That's
want
it.
any more orange in there?
Nah.
No, you're going to leave it like that? That's up to you. It's your painting.
I think I want to
Want
Maybe
another
some
color?
purple.
The dark purple or the lighter purple? Or the really lighter purple?
That purple.
The wild iris. That's a good choice.
Wild iris.
Alright, so dump your chain in there.
I'm sorry, wild iris. It
Carefully.
was just never meant to be.
Dump it in there. That is the wild iris, silly.
I know.
Okay. And stir it up really good. Get all that pink kind of mixed in. Okay, there you go. Alright. Now you got a thicker layer here. You might want to take your chain around this part. Maybe. If you go all the way around, it doesn't matter. Set it down before it. There you go. Slowly.
That was a bad petal.
No, it's kind of neat looking. I think it's neat looking.
I'm
Doesn't
gonna
have to
go
be perfect.
over that.
No, I would leave it. It's very interesting. I would maybe go like
Wow.
here.
Okay.
You know, maybe like start here with your chain
I'm
and
very.
go kind of out this. Well, that way it works too. But you got to quit sticking your fingers in your
I
painting.
know that. I'm very bad at that.
No, that's okay. It just takes practice. There you go.
Which I didn't do.
Do you feel like it's done yet? Or maybe you need
I'd
one
say
more?
one more small petal.
One more small petal. Maybe down this kind of, a little bit
Yeah.
down that way maybe?
Yeah.
Okay. Put that in the center. There you go.
Bloop.
You just...
I like that. I like that.
Okay. That's yours. You however you want to do it. Okay. How is that? Feel like you're done?
I want to add one swirl in the middle.
Okay. Another color or one of those colors?
Let's see. What color do we have here? Is there any difference?
No, that's not really. That's just about the same pink.
I'll do a tiny bit of this light,
Okay.
light, light.
Great. Alright, let's keep those out of the way. And let's get this.
First, let's strain some of that paint out of there.
There we go. I'm going to stick that in your lavender. Hopefully that won't affect it too much. Nope, it didn't. There we go. Okay. Keep it right down that to the thing. You don't want it splattering on the other painting. I've done enough of splattering on the other paintings. There you go. Okay. Alright, why don't you do your other color now? Okay?
Alright.
Alright, do your last color.
This is a really long chain.
Alright, hold it steady. You don't want it splattering everywhere. There you go. No, you gotta quit setting it. You set it down one piece at a time. There you go. I'm not sure what that's gonna do, but
Okay, I'd say that's good.
well, okay. You want any more down?
Nah.
Nope. Pick up your chain because you're about to drop it on your painting. There you go. Now pull it up. There you go. Very
Doesn't
pretty.
really look like a flower.
Doesn't have to be perfect. Here, I'll take that chain. It's beautiful. Let's torch it. Make sure there's no, I'll take care of the torching there. Make sure there's no more air bubbles anywhere. Look at your cells that came up.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I like that.
Wow. Cool. I think we probably had some silicone in that lavender, I think.
Whoops.
Well, that's okay. It made it very interesting in the middle. Okay. Let's see. Let's get
Let's
our
get you down
yeah.
for a closer look. So, this is up close.
got some pretty cells going on in there, Ella.
Thank you, Mom.
I love all the I don't know, just the shape of your petals. Very very cool. I love that right there. That's like my favorite. Okay. Got some neat cells going on there though. That's cool.
Okay, so thank all you guys who watched this video. Thank you. you enjoyed it. And wherever you are on the planet, have an awesome day, evening, or night. See you later. Bye.